Hey man, I was doing some scrolling. I was seeing some things. I was checking different markets and stuff like that, Goat, StockX, eBay. And something that I have seen and something that's getting talked about a lot are these three sneakers that currently, bro, are on the uprise. And we always say it, bro, buy them before it's too late. But this actually might be the perfect time to get these before you just, already put in that category. Like, I'm gonna get those later down the line because they're that expensive. So we're gonna talk about it. I'm gonna try to help you guys out, put some, shed some light on a couple of sneakers that I feel like you might want to jump on. And all that being said, bro, let's get right into today's video, man. Yo, welcome back to the channel, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. You guys already heard it in the intro, bro. We about to talk about a couple of different sneakers that are currently on the uprise, and I kind of got blindsided a little bit because I told y'all at one point in time this is the best time to get them, and ever since then, bro, the price has been creeping up. You know what I'm saying? But if you guys are new here to the channel right now, I need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and make sure you guys run them likes up, man. Every single like counts. It helps the channel grow, and we are back with the content, bro. We back with the content. I hope you guys are enjoying it. Shouts out to all my day ones. Shout out to everybody that always come through and show love, bro. It's not going notice. I truly do appreciate it, man. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into these sneakers and talk about what these joints is hitting for and what them prices is looking like now. And it ain't gonna look too good when we get deeper in the summertime and Christmas. All right, guys, so for the first sneaker that I told y'all, when they did release, I said, bro, don't buy them yet. Wait until pairs get shipped out from his site. Wait till pairs get shipped out from the sneakers app, because prices will go down. That's a trend that we've been seeing all year. Of course, during the drop, the hype is at an all-time high, and then later down, about a week or two, the prices trickle all the way down. And I got my pair for a very, very nice price in the low threes. And I told y'all, bro, just wait, because these was going for like 400 before the drop, and then they dropped down. And that is the Air Jordan 4 Bike Air brick by bricks. Now I already rock these things, bro. Super tough, bro. I love these Air Jordan 4s. Probably gonna go down as top 2, top 3 for your boy. But these right here are currently back on the uprise. You can check whatever app you want right now. And the good thing that I do like about StockX, not to say that I buy a lot of shoes from them, but I like how they kind of show you how the market has been going. It's been going up, it's been going down. And these right here were down for a little bit, bro. And when I say down, I don't mean about like no crazy $200 and like that. But I got my pair for $320. And now they are already surpassed that by a long shot currently. You guys go check it out, man. But these right here are one of those shoes that, if you don't pull that trigger sooner than later, it's gonna be one of those $500-600 sneakers. Like, just look at it. It has the makeup for it. It is pretty much a special edition sneaker, bro. This is one of those limited joints that Nike put all their energy effort towards. You got the Bike Air on the back, bro. Like, come on, when's the next time we gonna see a colorway like this? Maybe we see a restock or two. Maybe we see them pull these at the vault 10 years down the line, but that's 10 years that you're gonna have to wait and try to get a pair for retail, which is probably not gonna happen, man. And a little side note, man, when I did rock my pair, I just kept it with the red laces, but I am thinking about adding the white laces when I do rock these the next time I do, bro. Super comfortable. I love the colorway. I love just the texture that they threw on the mud guard right here, and even that nice suede on the upper, bro. They executed these perfectly. But I am gonna pull up the market right now. I did see the prices, but I kind of give you guys an accurate number on what they're looking like currently. And again, for my size 9, they're already going for $530, bro. When did this happen? Like, literally, this had to happen overnight, bro. Now they're going for over $500. This had to happen over the last week or two when everybody was thinking about these white cement 4s, everybody thinking about everything else. And next thing you know, bro, these are already $500 sneakers, bro. Next is gonna hit the $600 price mark, and I could definitely see it happening for these brick by bricks. Okay, so I'm looking at my GOAT right now. So I paid $380 for these joints right here, and now they're going for over $530. Bro, that is over that's pretty much $150, increase. And I bought these in March, bro. I bought these March 24th. So over the last couple of months, these things have went up a couple $100, you know what I'm saying? And I can see it happening toward the end of the year time frame come around. These is already all over 550 to 600 bucks, man. So bro, listen to me, listen to your boy DaVintage. Get these sooner than later, especially if you want them. I know it's a lot of stuff coming out, but sometimes you gotta prioritize certain sneakers, especially sneakers like this where the prices are rising like crazy. All right guys, next is a shoe that has also went about 150 bucks since the release. And this is one I am a little bit surprised on, because when the pair came out back in 2016, it was not a lot of hype and a lot of buzz around these. And sometimes people do not like the reimagined spin-offs of OG colorways. Point in case, UNC Reimagined, Black Toe Reimagined. That's just to name a couple of the reimagined joints people did not really, that they didn't end up liking overall. But these right here, bruh, are a totally different story. And we are talking about no other than the Air Jordan 5 black metallic, guys. And these right here are super crazy, bro. I love them, man. Like I said, I had my pair back in 2016, beat that pair. They're literally sitting back there all yellowed and stuff like that. But I guess with the white laces, I guess with the white piping, people like these more, I would say. It's almost like one of those debates where we did with the Air Jordan 4 breads and the Air Jordan 4 bread reimagines. A lot of people, you'll be surprised, like the reimagined breads over the OGs. It's crazy. And it seemed like the same thing is happening for these black metallic reimagined that released back in February or March timeframe. I can't remember. I know it's February, March timeframe. I don't know a specific date. But since I got these for retail, got lucky. I gave like 40 head starts on FLX, had to confirm my pair. But since then, bro, now they have gone up over $100, and they're going for like $450 to $460 in most sizes. So don't say your boy DaVintage ain't tell you so about these black metallic guys. I mentioned them before, bro, and ever since I did that, they have gone up. They're going up about $100, you know what I'm saying? So again, one of those sneakers that's gonna look a lot different in terms of resale value come December timeframe, come 2026. You're gonna be regretting not listening to your boy DaVintage. And I've been doing this for so long, man. I gotta start listening to me, man. So reprioritize shoes, figure out what you need to go back and grab, figure out what you can hold off on. Like, you can hold off on the rare Air 3s. Not going for a lot. You can hold off on the rare Air 4s. Get something that you know you really want rather than trying to stay up to date with every current release. And these right here, must cops, must grabs. And I'll grab them right now before that price continues to rise. And then last but definitely not least, bro, I think that these right here have a lot of potential. I think they have a lot of potential in terms of how much they could be worth eventually. And they're going for the low right now. And I got mine for the low. And I told y'all, I said, don't buy them. Sometimes I go admit when I'm right. Everybody like to admit when I'm wrong. Oh, you were wrong, you was wrong. This didn't age well. But when I'm right, you know, so I don't never get my flowers. But for these right here, I said, don't buy them yet. The price is going to go down, bro. They built some hype around them, Nike did, with their marketing, with everything they did and stuff like that. But the price still dropped, which is good. I love it when the resale is low, especially when I really want a sneaker. That means I don't gotta, you know, fight with the resellers. I don't gotta fight with the bots. People usually leave those shoes alone and let the people, the regular people like me, get them, you know what I'm saying? But these joints right here, I think will tend to go up. I'll say around next year time frame, because again, so the next time we're gonna see this colorway release, and that is no other than the Air Jordan 4 navy blue SBs, bro. Just look at them, bro. This is a clean colorway. There was a lot of complaints about these. People saying they look too similar to the military blues. People say they look too similar to the midnight navy 4s. It was all that stuff. But something that these got that the other joints don't is the gum bottoms, that premium material in the upper. And I already know that these are super comfortable just based off my other SBs I got. I got the pine greens, I got these. Next, all we gotta do is cross off the list is the varsity red joints. But these right here, I think will tend to go up. And if you do really want these, the price is low. Don't say I didn't tell you so, bro. I think that these have some potential to rise. And I can say, bro, I got my pair. I trust in my gut. The price is dipped. But again, I do think that these can, out of nowhere, just shoot up in price. Just like we're seeing the brick by bricks do. Just like we're seeing the black metallics do. But hey, we shall see what happens, man, with the midnight navy, Air Jordan 4 SBs. These things is crispy, man. But I appreciate all of the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. If I miss any other sneakers that you think are currently, you know, blindsided people by rising the resale value, please let me know down below in the comment section so I can shed some light on there, do some research, see what them things is hitting for. That'd be greatly, greatly appreciated. If you guys enjoyed the content, you have not subscribed to the channel yet, man, you already know what to do. hit that sub button, and also hit the notification bell to miss out on any content. Run them likes up for your boy The Vintage. All that's been said, man, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.